Yeah, it's time to fix her. Before I get too nutty, what I'm gonna do is test the motor out, see if that's gonna have to be replaced. We're definitely gonna need a new body. I might be able to heat it up and get it back somewhat usable. I don't know. Just for, I'm probably gonna run her without. So I'm just gonna pop these out for now. It's the old one, so there's the old ESC. That's the bottom of it. Looks like that case is just a capacitor. I'm not even gonna clean it up yet, because if this ESC doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to make this a short one. But I'm hoping it does. So it's a nice ESC. Now, if I remember correct, he said this is from an EC30, so our exclusive. Scotty said it was from an EC30, so I need an EC30 controller. Beautiful. Has it got batteries? Nope, no batteries. So this just has to go in here. Not sure which one the servo is. So hopefully there's no damage to the servo. That would suck. Alright, need a couple batteries. Store your batteries in an ammo can, kids. I think this takes two. Yeah. Cross your fingers. Well, look at that. She has life. Servo might be dead though. Let me try and mess with it a little bit. Okay. Oh boy. You guys see that? Oh. Alright, so now I just got to clean it up, use some simple green or whatever, and we'll go for a quick test run. I'll be right back when buttoned up. The test run of the 110 after swapping out the ESC. Everything seems to be working. Do it a little test on the rhythm section. Not going to beat it up too much. Ooh, nice job. Hit that though. Poof, jumped right out. Not warm. So far, so good. Good thing I got new tape coming today. It's cutting out. Then it'll kick back in. No, it just charges the battery, so it shouldn't be that. Let's see if she's hot. Not really. ESC's a little warm. Definitely something still going on, but yeah, I can't hold it there for more than a few seconds. Everything's hot. So. Well, we'll see what we could do. Time to clean it up.